TST Software, a solutions company. TST proudly presents NCG CAM. NCG CAM is an easy-to-use, reliable, and affordable standalone CAM software. Powerful advanced 3D machining, 3+2, 4-axis, plus full 5-axis motion toolpaths. Ideal for shop floor programming. NCG CAM is compatible with and supports all the favorite flavors of computer-aided design 3D data files. NCG CAM features file associativity to update change revisions and regenerate toolpaths with supported software. Customizable libraries and database folders to build your tool holder and cutting tool libraries, and holder tool combos. Material libraries with specific machinability data and custom special hole shape database. Curvature and smaller corner radii analysis with slider bars, allowing you to view set radii, and also the ability to hover over a surface on the part with your cursor to see actual radii. Also, min and max draft angle analysis with the same ability to hover over part to see draft angles. Both features can be running simultaneously in separate windows as shown. This is an example of detect hole features. Highlight your part, choose hole detect. Hole features are placed into manageable folders as shown. Examples shown here are drilling hole strategies in multiple axes tip angles. 3 clicks and all open circular holes are covered with a surface. Surfaces will protect hole features in your project from any unwanted cutting tools just dropping in to say hello. With collision detection and gouge checking, the toolpath is automatically trimmed. This next clip shows 2 high-speed machining roughing strategies. As shown in this video clip with the machine kinematics simulation, the cutting tool holder combo safely moves away from all obstacles. And a long curved toolpath is created to engrave lettering. Window over unwanted area, hit the delete key. That's it. Take a look at this 3 to 5 axis conversion. This video shows a conversion of a 3D waterline cut. This video shows a machine kinematics simulation. TST is located in Clarkston, Michigan and serves the tooling software technology needs of companies all over North America and Canada. Our team at TST would like to sincerely thank you for taking the time to view. And don't forget to look us up at tst-software.com, and you can find us on all of the popular social media platforms. Once again, thank you for watching.